So Clemmensen reduction, it is useful for the preparation of alkanes from carbonyl compounds. So substrate carbonyl compounds, reagent Zn, Hg, zinc amalgam and HCl. So carbonyl compounds, aldehydes or ketones undergo reduction in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl to give alkenes. So RC double bond OH or RC double bond OR undergo reduction in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl to give alkene. So how to C double bond O group is converted into CH2 group? Now you see reaction mechanism. So how to C double bond O group convert into CH2 group in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl? So it is acid catalyzed reduction Zn, Hg, HCl. So acid catalyzed reduction. Now you take aldehyde or ketone in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl to give RCH. Now you see reaction mechanism. So RC double bond OH, oxygen have lone pair of electron. The reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. H plus attacks on oxygen to give oxonium ion. In oxonium ion, oxygen have positive charge. It is unstable because oxygen, it is the second more electronegative atom in periodic table. More electronegative atom always contain negative character, but here oxygen contain positive character. It is unstable. This pi bond electron shifted to here. You get another intermediate. So it is intermediate 1, it is intermediate 2. So which is more stable? So 1 is more stable than compared to 2. Why 1 is more stable than compared to 2? Because in this intermediate all atoms can obey the octet, but here carbon valency shell contain only 6 electrons. It cannot obey the octet. Now reaction takes in presence of zinc. Zinc they can able to donating the 2 electrons. It is converted into Zn plus 2. When zinc donating the 2 electrons, it converted into Zn plus 2. This configuration is called pseudo inert gas configuration. Already you know zinc atomic number 30. Electronic configuration argon 4s2 3d10. When it loss of 2 electrons, the valency contain 18 electrons, third shell contain 18 electrons. This configuration is called pseudo inert gas configuration. So inert gas configuration is more stable than compared to pseudo inert gas configuration. Okay, so Zn plus 2 is more stable because it has pseudo inert gas configuration. So that's why they can able to donating the 2 electrons easily. When zinc donating the 1 electron, the positive charge becomes to neutral. The carbon converted into neutral when it donating the 1 electron. When zinc donating the another electron, the carbon have negative charge. Now reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. So H plus attacks here. We get R, OH, H, H. The reaction cannot stop at this stage. So further reaction takes place. The reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. Oxygen have lone pair of electron. H plus attacks on oxygen. It is converted to oxonium ion. So oxygen have positive charge. It is unstable. Already you know why it is unstable. Because oxygen have positive charge. It is a second more electronegative atom in periodic table. It have positive charge. It is unstable. So loss of water molecule. We get R CH H plus. So now zinc is donating the 2 electrons. It is converted to Zn plus 2 to give R CH2 minus. The reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. H plus attacks here to give alkyl. Okay. Now in this reaction, how many moles of acid consumed in this reaction? So it is 1 mole. So it is the second mole. So this is the third mole. So this is the fourth mole. So how many number of moles acid consumed in this reaction? That is 4 moles of acid consumed in this reaction. So next the zinc 1. So here 2. How many electrons participate in this reaction or involved in this reaction? That is 4 electrons. Okay, so here zinc donating the 2 electrons. In this step, here also zinc donating the 2 electrons. The total number of electrons is 4. Okay, now Clemmensen reduction cannot affect double bond or triple bond. It reduces only C double bond O group to CH2 group. It cannot affect C double bond C or C triple bonds. For example, we take this compound. So this compound undergo reduction in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl. So Clemmensen reduction, it reduces only C double bond O group to CH2 group. It cannot affect C double bond C or C triple bond C. We get the product is this one. So it cannot affect C double bond C or C triple bond C. It cannot reduce C double bond C or C triple bonds. Okay. So next one. In 1,3 diketones undergo Clemmensen reduction, you get rearranged product. So for example, so this compound undergo reduction in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl. So it is Clemmensen reduction. So expected product is 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane, but here rearranged product will be obtained. So 1,3 diketones undergo Clemmensen reduction, you get rearranged product. So here ring contraction takes place. Already you know general mechanism, how to C double bond O group converted to CH2 group. Now you see reaction mechanism, how to 6-member ring is converted to 5-member ring. Okay, now you see reaction mechanism. So reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. So oxygen have lone pair of electrons. So the H plus attacks here. So reaction takes through di-free radical mechanism. Now oxygen have positive charge. Now reaction takes in presence of zinc. Zinc they can able to donating the 2 electrons. So this bonded electron shifted to here, this bonded electron shifted to here, zinc donating the 1 electron. So here also we donating the 1 electron, you get a di-free radical. Okay, now they involve in bond formation. Okay, they involve in bond formation. You get bicyclic compound. Now reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. So H plus attacks on oxygen. It is converted to oxonium ion. So oxygen have positive charge. Already you know it is unstable. So it loss of water molecule. At the same time, oxygen have lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron shifted to here. This electron shifted to here. So oxygen donating the electrons, it have positive charge. You get this one. So it is a olefinic bond. It undergo reduction. It undergo electrophilic addition reaction. This pi bond electron shifted to here. Oxygen have positive charge. It donating the H plus ion. The H plus attacks here. You get tertiary carbocation. You get tertiary carbocation. Now reaction takes in presence of zinc. Zinc, it can able to donating the 2 electrons. It convert into Zn plus 2 to give carbon anion. Reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. So H plus attacks here. You get this product. So this is a rearranged product. In this reaction, ring contraction takes place. In this reaction, ring contraction takes place. Okay. So in diketones undergo Clemmensen reduction, you get rearranged product. You get rearranged product in Clemmensen reduction. Now you see, so it is a ring contraction. Now in Clemmensen reduction, ring expansion is also possible. In Clemmensen reduction, ring expansion is also possible. Now you see one example. So this compound, ring expansion is also possible. So reaction takes in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl. We get this product. So here ring expansion takes place. It is a 5-member ring. This 5-member ring is converted to 6-member ring. So ring expansion takes place. Now you see reaction mechanism. Reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. Now this H plus ion attacks on oxygen. So there is two possibilities. One is a nitrogen have lone pair of electron, oxygen also have lone pair of electron. So the H plus ion attacks on nitrogen. When H plus attacks on nitrogen, nitrogen have positive charge, it donating the H plus ion. Okay, so for example, this H plus ion attacks on nitrogen. You get this one. So nitrogen have positive charge. So when it have a positive charge, it donating the H plus ion easily. Now this H plus ion attacks on oxygen. When this H plus attacks on oxygen, this lone pair of electrons shifted to here. Okay, so there is a two possibilities. Maybe H plus attacks on nitrogen or H plus attacks on oxygen. When H plus attacks on nitrogen, further it donating the H plus ion. Okay, it means the concentration of H plus ion cannot decreases in this reaction. When H plus attacks on nitrogen, it donating the H plus ion. When it donating the H plus ion, the H plus ion further attacks on oxygen. Okay. So when H plus attacks on oxygen, so oxygen have positive charge. So this bonded electron shifted to here. OH plus reaction takes in presence of zinc. It donating the 2 electrons. It is converted to Zn plus 2. It have negative charge. Reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. So H plus attacks here. The reaction cannot stop at this stage. Further reaction takes place. So reaction takes in presence of acidic medium. So H plus attacks on oxygen. So loss of water molecule, we get carbocation. We get carbocation. So now ring expansion takes place. So this bonded electron shifted to here. This carbon have positive charge. Nitrogen have lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron shifted to here. You get 6-membered ring. Okay. So it is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So this bonded electron shifted to here. Third. This is the fourth, fifth, sixth. You get 6-membered ring. Okay. Now this bonded electron shifted to here. So this is the first, second, third. First and second carbon have a double bond. So nitrogen have positive charge. Okay. You get this one. So nitrogen have positive charge. It is unstable. This bonded electron shifted to here. This carbon have positive charge. Zinc donating the 2 electrons. It is converted to Zn plus 2. So acid donating the H plus ion. The H plus attacks here. You get ring expansion product. So here ring expansion takes place. You get this product. Okay, so in Clemmensen reduction, so 1,3 diketones undergo rearrangement. So in previous example, it is a ring contraction takes place. Okay, so ring expansion also possible. Now you see another example. When alpha or beta keto carboxylic acid with phenyl ring involving Clemmensen reduction. Okay, so there is no characteristic reaction is observed. So for example, So it is alpha ketocarboxylic acid with phenyl ring, or beta ketocarboxylic acids with phenyl ring undergo reduction with Zn, Hg and HCl, no reaction. Okay, when another ketocarboxylic acids involving Clemmensen reduction, they give positive test. So it is alpha beta, this is alpha carbon, it is beta carbon. So it has phenyl ring, it undergo Clemmensen reduction. When alpha beta ketocarboxylic acids undergo Clemmensen reduction, no reaction is observed. Okay, other carboxylic acids gives this reaction. Okay, when acid sensitive groups are present in carbonyl compounds, so Clemmensen reduction it is not suitable. Okay, when acid sensitive groups are present in carbonyl compounds, this reaction is not suitable. So for example, so it is a carbonyl compound, this is OH. So simultaneously dehydration takes place when OH group is present, simultaneously dehydration takes place. So the reaction takes in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl. So already you know C double bond O group convert C double bond O group convert into CH2. But OH it is acid sensitive group. So when acid sensitive group is present, oxygen have lone pair of electrons, H plus attacks here, dehydration takes place. So loss of water molecule, this bonded electron shifted to here. We get this. So simultaneously dehydration takes place when it have acid sensitive groups are present. Okay, so Clemmensen reduction it is not useful when carbonyl group have acid sensitive groups. Okay, now preparation of 1-methyl cyclohexane. So 1-methyl cyclohexane. How many carbonyl compounds are used as a reactant, including stereoisomers. Okay, so question is, so the product is 1-methyl cyclohexane. Okay, so how many carbonyl compounds are used in this reaction as a reactant? Okay, including stereoisomers. Okay, already you know C double bond O group convert into CH2. Okay, so first one, we take this one. So this compound undergo reduction in presence of Zn, Hg and HCl. C double bond O group converted to CH2. So this is a product. So this is the one reactant. So second one, 2-methyl cyclohexanone. So it is a chiral. It is a chiral carbon. So it give D or plus or L isomer. Okay, it is a chiral. It exists in two isomers, D or L. It undergo Clemmensen reduction to give 1-methyl cyclohexane because C double bond O group converted to CH2. So third one, 3-methyl cyclohexanone. So it is also chiral. It is also optically active because the carbon bonded with 4 different groups. Okay, so it is plus or minus 2 isomers. Okay, so another one, 4-methyl cyclohexanone. So there is no chiral center. Okay, so it is cannot exhibit optical activity. Now, how many number of carbonyl compounds are used as a reactant for the preparation of 1-methyl cyclohexane? The number of reactants 1. So it is optically active 2 isomers. 3. It is optically active 2 isomers. 5. It is 1. So total number of reactants is 1. Here 2. It is 2. It is 1. So total 6.